Ladies and gentlemen.
So here you can see it's a Ruijie box, uh, access point. It's a white color. I think there are multiple color options are available. It's a installation manual written in Chinese and English. Okay, step by step how to install this physically, and it's a mounting kit. Wherever the surface is, it should be over the wall or ceiling. Here you can see
उसमें लॉक पे होगा दिखा
it's adjustable for, yeah, for adjusting the access point, screw for fitting. I will let you know the ports. We will showcase you the ports. Yeah. So here, as you can see, three RJ45 ports are there. Out of that, one LAN port, 1 to 5 gig PoE. You can connect the adapter as well to give the power along with. Otherwise, you can directly, if you have the PoE switch, you can directly use with a PoE switch, a USB port. Thank you. Thanks.